When the cops stopped me, I told them that I was rushing home because my friend was about to commit suicide. Now, you're that friend. All we need is a reason why you were going to commit suicide.
I never had an air conditioner.
No, that's no reason to kill yourself.
Why? It gets hot at night, you can't sleep? You ever try to sleep in a really hot room?
Every night I sleep in a really hot room. I don't want to kill myself.
Well, I've slept in really hot rooms, and I wanted to kill myself.
No, that's not going to work. Something else.
I was never able to become a banker.